So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about future retail share. So we know that today it has hit the 5% upper circuit. So obviously we know that the update regarding the future retail as well as Reliance, where the SEBI has given an official confirmation, that is approval has been given. So still many people are having questions about that particular SEBI approval. So we'll completely discuss everything in detail about what are the future prospects between future retail as well as Reliance. So I'll discuss everything, so watch clearly and try to understand that. And further, in case if you have any other doubts regarding at which level you have taken, and if you want any further clarifications, you can mention in the comment sections. Okay, and yesterday also we have discussed about Birla Tyres. So today also it has given the upper circuit. So reasons, everything I have discussed. If you have not watched those, you can definitely watch that. And people who are new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So we know that officially yesterday night around 10 p.m. we have received an update regarding this particular SEBI which has given approval to the future retail and Reliance deal. We know that which is worth almost 27,513 crore. So this particular deal which was being delayed from the late August 2020. So many cases have been delayed, many CCA approvals were there, and many disputes were present between Amazon as well as Reliance. So different cases have been filed, so lots of patience has been tested because of this particular deal. When will it happen, because SEBI was one organization which was acting as a hurdle for this particular deal. So SEBI is ultimate, we know that, administrator which gives yes or no. Any activities which are taking place are authorized by SEBI. So since SEBI itself has given the free movement, then definitely today that's why it has hit the 5% upper circuit. So 5% is the limit of upper circuit. So generally we used to see 10%, and at times we used to see even 20% upper circuit. But due to a nominal, that is in a smooth way to move the stock up, they have given 5% upper circuit. And today also, if we see the volume, almost 63 lakh shares are still present in the market depth. Okay, so that was the basic update that was given. So what are SEBI's views? So whenever we discuss anything, so SEBI view is also very important. So SEBI said that on this particular scheme, it has said that shares of the transferee entity issued in lieu of the locked-in shares of the transferor entities are subjected to lock-in for a certain period post time. So they have given certain post time for which the shares will be locked. So they need to hold that particular shares for a certain period of time. So now what you can expect? So definitely that excessive selling that we used to see, where they used to hit it to lower circuit, so that will be reduced. And also they have given information to the shareholders, especially shareholders and NCLT, to be provided details for the complaints made by Amazon. We know that Amazon has given many complaints and submissions by future retail, and all the proceedings related to the same in the Delhi High Court order. So Singapore International Arbitration Center or any other court, so this particular details have to be submitted by the future retail. So everything is going in a step-by-step manner and step-by-step way. Only the SEBI has told to proceed without any particular misinterruption or confusion between the transferees, that is between Reliance as well as the future retail, and all the things that the SEBI has provided as we have gone through. So those things should be satisfied, and they need to hold it for a separate lock-in period of time. Okay, and also they have told that if any in future, if any disputes, complaints or regulatory actions or proceedings are involved, so they should inform. Okay, they should notice to before the NCLT approach. So shareholders should be informed. That's why that is very important, right? If you're not informing to shareholders, again that same misconception happens. So any disputes or anything happens, so shareholders should be intimated before the NCLT approval. So SEBI has told that organization, that is going step by step way, is also very important. And also future enterprises you know that Future Enterprises should highlight that 74.2% of its business value post amalgamation of all the group companies is getting transferred to Reliance Retail Ventures. So this also is very important about Future Enterprises. Okay, so that also earlier we know that Future Enterprises is the one where 74.2% of the business value will be given to the Reliance Retail Ventures Limited and Reliance Retail and Fashion Lifestyle Limited, both of which do not intend to list post the scheme. Okay, so both of these are not intended to list. Try to understand, list post the scheme. Okay, so that is again thing, this is everything known to all of you already. We have discussed in many videos, so just I am showing so that complete idea is present. So hope everything is clear. So further, if you have any doubts, go through the articles, you'll find them in Money Control. So I'm explaining step by step way so that each and every point will be clear. Okay, so quickly if we go to the volume analysis, so clearly if we see what you can see in volume analysis, so clearly you can see on 20th January, so you have suddenly seen the deliverable quantities have increased. Suddenly you have seen combined deliverable quantity has increased, followed by decrease in traded quantity. So whenever traded quantity is decreasing, obviously operator activity reduces and the number of people or number of group public who are adding that particular thing increases, and ultimately stock also goes up. Okay, so next when we see what the indicators are suggesting, so indicators are one thing. So this is on news base, so just we are doing the technicals just for our basic confirmatory that what are the various parameters. So apart from news, we also need to see technicals. So technicals are not mandatory for these type of stocks, but just for our satisfaction that what are the levels and what are the next targets and supports we can see. So as usual, RSI and money flow index are in mid-range. So mid-range indicates that either upward or downtrend happens. So since positive news is present, so uptrend only will continue. So nothing much to see. So only see that how much strength is present for the stock and where it is lying, in the oversold or in the overbought. Okay, so returns wise, if we see, okay, 1 week 6.61% returns, 1 month 3.66, 3 months 11%, 6 months minus 27, 1 year minus 76. So because of this particular deal which has been lagging, so testing the patience of retail investors, which was kept on in a hold, in a consolidation phase, so nothing much returns have been reported. So now since the time has come, so since approval has come from the SEBI itself, so that's why today we have seen some smooth upper circuit with good amount of volume. So definitely it will be reflected on the returns as well. So we need to watch out in the next week how much returns it will be reporting. Okay, so quickly if we go to the technical chart, so today you can see it is around 80.65 and it has closed around 5% upper circuit. So quickly if we see what are the two moving averages, okay, that we can see. So one is 135, so this is 1 week, so we are going in large. So 200 moving average is around 313, so way far. And if we see currently it is near 80, so in 80 it has remained in that particular region for many times. It has tested that almost 1 2 3 4 times. It has tested that 80 rupees level. So 135 is the 50 EMA, so it should achieve that particular in the long term. Definitely it should go in the midterm as well. It should go there because many people are struck at those particular levels. They have taken at 115, 120, so many requests have come. So definitely hold, we need to hold patiently who have taken at 70. So earlier also 2 to 3 weeks back also we have discussed about future retail. So at that particular point of time also we discussed that anything may happen to this stock, either up or either down. So positive news are coming, so that's why hold it, don't do selling. So let's hope for the best that it goes forward safely. So 50 moving, so 50 EMA is around 135. Rest of all you can see nothing much to discuss about the technical. So since a news based stock, news only will control the movement. So further if you have any doubts you can mention in the comment section. So until then, take care, bye bye.